Another, a survey was conducted to know whether the company must allow cell phones at work. They collected data by asking the respondents to send their votes via text message. So what is wrong with this? Ano po ang misuse or mali po dito? The process of collecting information does not cover all possible respondents. Some of the respondents don't have cell phones, so hindi naman po lahat may cellphone. Hindi naman po lahat ay nagdadala ng cellphone sa work. Okay? So, ang mali dito, since ang kinukuha niyang data, ang gusto niyang kuning data ay kung yung mga company ba ay pinapayagan na gumamit ng cellphone sa trabaho, paano kung yung worker ay walang cellphone at hindi dinadala ang cellphone, nasa bahay lang. So, yun po ang mali dito. Okay? So, the process of collecting information does not cover all possible respondents. Some of the respondents don't have cell phones. How about this one? So, this is the enrollment by grade level. So, we have grade 7, grade 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So, the graph shows the total number of students in a school classified by grade level. So, by looking at the graph, what seems to be unacceptable? Okay, there must be a question mark here. Okay, so, as you can see, if we will add all the percentages of the given data by grade level, the sum is not 100. Okay? So, what seems to be unacceptable? The percentages do not add up to 100%. So, yun po ang mali po dito sa ating data. Let's talk about the statistical instrument. So, how do we form instruments in statistics? So, ano ba itong instrument? So, these are devices or tools used to gather data. Some of the common statistical instruments are questionnaires, checklists, rating scale, test items, and etc. So, madalas po ang ginagamit kapag instrument ay questionnaire. So, minsan sa school kayo, kapag minsan may pupunta sa school at magbibigay ng papel, tapos magpapasagot, questionnaires po yun. Those are all examples of questionnaire. And that is one of the examples of statistical instrument. Minsan naman kapag merong pumunta sa school na about bakuna, di ba, meron tayong survey na binibigay, interviewin, iuwi nyo sa bahay, tatanungin kung ano na yung mga bakunang nakuha nyo, kung may allergy ka bago ka bakunahan. So, yun din po ay survey. Okay? Questionnaires din po yun. So, those are all example of statistical instruments. So, ito po yung ginagamit natin para makakuha po tayo ng data. Kung ano yung gusto nating malaman dun sa start ng ating study. So, these instruments are used to gather essential information to answer the given problem. Take note that when we are constructing or formulating an instrument, dapat it must be reliable. Okay? The reliability of an instrument means that it always gathers the relevant data. So, make sure na kapag magpo-form po tayo ng instrument, lalo na sa questionnaires and checklists, okay? Ito yung madalas ginagamit. For us to gather data, dapat yung questions na ilalagay po natin o yung mga variable, yung hinahanap natin, dapat po relevant po doon sa ating study. Okay? O doon sa problem na gusto nating hanapan ng solution or answer. So, it must be reliable. It must be a relevant data only. And validity, it should be valid. So, ano ba ibig sabihin ng valid? Or yung validity ng instrument mo? It means that it gathers accurate data. So, hindi lang po dapat yung relevant data. So, dapat accurate din po yung data na nakukuha natin. So, when you are preparing your questionnaire or yung instrument po natin, it must be dapat sinecheck po natin yung reliability and validity po nito. Meron po tayong test na ginagamit po dyan. The reliability test and the validity test. Now, in formulating questionnaires, we have two types of question. First is the closed format question. It is a question whose response is restricted. So, kumbaga, limited lang po. So, halimbawa, multiple choice. Pag multiple choice, 4 lang ang options mo doon. So, limited. Okay? Meron ka lang isang pipiliin na sagot. Another is yung true or false. So, kapag true or false, it's either true or false lang po ang sagot natin. Yes or no, agree, disagree. Okay? So, yun lang po yung mga examples ng closed format question. Pag sinabing closed format, restricted, limited. Okay? Hindi ka makakapagbigay ng sagot na wala dun sa option. So, sila magpo-provide ng sagot, ang gagawin mo, pipili ka lang. And then, another type of question is we have the open format question. So, it is a question whose response is not limited. So, it is the opposite of the closed format question. So, pag sinabi nating open format, it's not limited. It elicits a thorough answer or explanation. Ito yung tinatawag rin nating open sentence. Okay? Yung kapag, halimbawa, why did you choose this strand? Okay. Bakit yun ang pinili mo? 'Di ba magagawa tayo dun ng reason. Okay? Mag-e-explain tayo dun. Bakit yun ang pinili natin? So, kumbaga, free. Free ka na i-express yung sagot mo. So, that's why it's called open format question. So, like for example, bakit favorite color mo yung ganto? Okay, bakit sa tingin mo yun ang pinakamaganda para sa'yo? So, yun po yung mga sample ng open format question. Yung kayo po ang magbibigay ng sarili nyong sagot, okay, based sa inyong personal opinion or answer. Okay, let's try. Write C if the item is a closed format question and O if it is an open format question. Why do you need a cellular phone? So, why? This is an open format question. Next, is calamansi a vegetable? So, this is answerable by yes or no. So, limited po yung sagot natin dito. So, this is a closed format question. Next, which do you prefer? Milk tea or soda? So, you only have two options. This is a closed format question. On a scale of 1 to 5, how satisfied are you in the product? So, ito madalas ginagamit to kapag sa mga delivery, yung sa mga food delivery, mga ganon. 'Di ba? Yung kung sino yung nag-deliver sa atin, nire-rate natin siya. So, yung mga parcels, yan nire-rate natin. So, 'di ba meron doon mga scale? Yung mga 5-star, 4-star. So, limited lang po yung ating option. So, that is a closed format question. Which part of the event did you like most? So, this is an open format question. Next, identify which of the following questions can be solved using statistics. Okay, so tatandaan, when we are formulating questions, manageable siya. Okay, manageable dapat to conduct data collection at dapat hindi mag-require siya ng analysis. If it does not require an analysis, then that is not statistics. So, what is the favorite color of your math teacher? So, this is no. Okay, so this is not which of the following questions can be solved using statistics? So, number 1 is no. Why? It only requires one response and does not need to use analysis. How often does the mermaid visit Manila Bay? So, number 2, this is no. Okay, why? The question is what? Unrealistic. Okay, so parang ang nito, unrealistic, hindi makatotohanan. Okay? And then, what movie did Jonah and Bea watch? So, this is again a no. Kasi it only requires one response at hindi po kailangan ng analysis dito. Tatandaan, kapag statistics, we have 4 process: collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting the data. Next, what is the most played Mobile Legends by grade 10 students? So, number 4, this is a yes. Kasi dito, kukuha ka ng data, and then, makikita mo yung result, i-interpret mo yun, i-analyze mo, i-organize, and then magko-collect ka. So, marami pong response ang need natin dito. Kailangan nating mag-conduct ng data collection, and it requires analysis. So, number 4 is a yes.